Hi, I'm Bethany, and I am going to show you how to make this cute bird. I have 3 different versions here. On this pink one, you can't really see the beak or the little legs. So, I advise that you do a different color than pink or orange, because the beak and the legs are going to be orange, and this is going to be what it looks like, but it's going to be blue with black eyes and a white belly. And of course, birds have wings, so all of them have wings. This one is my original version. So, without any talking, let's get started. First, you're going to have your loom in this position. You'll also need your hook, 6 orange rubber bands, 2 black rubber bands, 2 white rubber bands, and a ton of blue rubber bands. Let's get started. So first, we're going to go to first to second position in the middle. Now diagonally, go second to third on both sides. Make a hexagon shape. Make sure to fill in the middle too. Now push all these rubber bands down so that we have room for the eyes and the beak. We will do the eyes and the beak at the end though. Now let's do the neck. Make sure to push down all the rubber bands. Let's do the wings. So do it like a little bit below and do what I do. You can also do the wings at the beginning if you want. Make another hexagon shape for the wings. Push down all the rubber bands and then fill in the middle. Now we're going to put a cap band. Wrap it around your finger once and then put it around again. Let's do this. So now you put it on the last peg with the rubber bands. What I like to do is I like to stretch it to the other peg like it's your first rubber band that you're putting down. Now we're going to hook it. So first, to hook, you're going to go inside the cap band, grab the first rubber band, pull it forward. That is what you would do if you were following what I did exactly. Now go in again and go to the other side. Now the other side. Keep on hooking like this, but keep on going inside of the rubber bands, not on the outside. And make sure not to go to the first rubber band that you put down on the wing until you are done hooking the hexagon. Now, push back all of those rubber bands, grab the first rubber band that you put down, and then you want to hook it over. Now, you want to take it on your hook and put it on your hook. Take it off with your hook. Sorry about my loom. It gets a little bit loose sometimes. Push this wing all the way down. Put your hook off to the side. Now we're going to make the second wing. Do the exact same thing that you did on the other time. Again, push down all the rubber bands except for the middle, because you haven't done the middle yet. Now we're going to put down the cap band. Remember, wrap on your fingers so that you see these 2 rings. Now you put down the cap band. Now, let's hook. make sure to go on the inside of the rubber band that you hooked first, not on the outside. Otherwise, it will fall apart when you take it off. Now remember to push down back all the rubber bands but the first one that you placed. Again, place it on your hook and use your hook to take off the rubber bands. Push it almost all the way down like the other ring on your hook. Now let's finish the body. Let's put down the shoulders, but make sure not to fill in the middle yet. Go down 1, 2, 3 times on the right, but after you put down those diagonal bands. Now go down 1, 2, 3 times on the left, and then you can do the middle. Let's do 2 white rubber bands. Now, place down your blue rubber band right there. Push all these rubber bands down. Okay, now let's put on the wings. Take it off, but be careful not to break it. Put it on this peg with the band that you placed first on the peg. Take off the other one. Do the same on the other side. Now, let's do the feet. Let's place down 1 orange band and another orange band. Now, do the same thing that you did before on the cat band, on the wing. Now, let's do the eyes, the beak, and the diagonal bands. Let's wrap around the eye, the black eye, 2 times, and then put it right there. Do it again on for the other eye and put it on the opposite side. Now, take 2 orange bands and twist them like they're 1 band and do a cat band. Put it on this side of the peg or this side of the peg. We will not need to do 2 of these. Now, we're going to put some diagonal bands on the face first. Now, since we've done a diagonal band on the face, we're going to take this black one, go on the outside of the diagonal band, and do that. Now, you can go 1 ring or 2 rings at a time. Make sure that they're separated by this peg. If you want to, you can do this, but it just makes it harder in the end. So I like to not do that. Now, do the same thing with the 1 orange band that you did. And with the 2 orange bands that you did. Push it to the middle. Now, we should do some on the body. Make sure that you don't get it like this on the bottom one. You get it like this. And then do another one. Do 3 on this one. Now, we are ready to hook. So first, we're going to reach inside of that last orange band and pull over the other orange band. Do the same on the other side. Now, reach in through that horizontal band and grab the blue band. Do that again on this place. Keep on doing that until you reach this peg. Do not go any farther. Otherwise, it will fall apart when you do it. Just do it to the point of here. Now let's do it in the middle. Now let's do it on the left. Make sure that you don't go to the neck yet. Now, once you've done all three columns, then you can reach in through all of those rubber bands and grab the one blue band that tees into the neck. Gonna go through. And if you accidentally push back the orange band, just put it to the middle again. Now, let's put this one forward. Then, let's put this one forward. Then let's do this one. Now reach in through that cap band. Ugh, I'll get stuck. Now reach in through that cap band and grab that blue band. Push it forward. Do the same on the other side. Make sure that you're going on the inside of all the bands. Otherwise, it will just fall apart. Now, let's reach in, and I like to turn it to the side so that you can see the last band. Push down the last band, the first band that you placed. And reach in, grab that one, pull it over. Now, you see the bottom ring? You grab that ring, pull it over like this. Grab that one that is still on the peg, pull until the knot is nice and secure. Now, we can start taking this bird off. Here's a baby bird. If you have any ideas about what I should make next, please drop it in the comment box below. Bye! Hope you enjoyed watching.